Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification. In that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. Alright, so what are we going to be doing today? Sorrel juice. Okay guys, so we're going to make some sorrel juice. I went to the grocery and I got some sorrel here, and I decided, hey, I haven't had sorrel for a long time. I haven't seen it. Buy it and then I can make some sorrel juice. So I have 6 cups of water here. I'm going to bring this to a boil. Now to this 6 cups of water, I'm going to add a few ingredients here. Okay. So I'm going to add some, okay, let me just make sure you can focus on this. You can see what I'm doing. So to this, I'm going to add some orange peel, some ginger, some cloves, and a piece of cinnamon. Okay, so we're going to add this to our water and we're going to leave this to boil for a few minutes. What we want to do, guys, is infuse this water with all of these spices. So we're going to let this boil for a bit to infuse the water. Well, when this is finished boiling, where I can see the color of the water has changed because it has extracted, you know, these oils and so forth from the cinnamon and the clove and everything else, the ginger and orange peel, then I will come back. Okay, guys. So now that our water has been boiling for a while, and as you can see, the water has been infused with our spices, we're now going to add in our washed sorrel petals. Look at that rich red color, guys. Alright, so we're going to make sure this is submerged under the water like this. And now we're going to get a cover. Where's my cover? I have to get my cover. We're going to cover this. We're going to allow this now to boil covered for about 2 minutes. So guys, don't make the mistake I made. I left this completely covered like this, and I stepped out for a bit and it ended up overflowing all at the bottom here. So don't make that mistake. What you do is just leave a little opening like this, so it doesn't overflow. Okay, so yeah, so after you leave it to boil for between 2 to 3 minutes, we turn off the stove. So we're going to leave this covered now for a few hours. You could even leave it overnight if you wish, but because I'm doing this in the morning, I'm just going to leave it covered for a few hours. And then after which you can strain it and put it in your jug to put in your fridge. Of course, you have to sweeten it with sugar. All right. Okay, guys. So now that our sorrel drink has been steeping for a while, we're now going to strain it. All right. What I'm going to do, I'm going to remove all the spices from it. Okay, so now that we have our juice here, we have already strained out all the contents. We're now going to sweeten to taste. Now, for me, guys, I'm going to add a little bit of mixed essence to mine. You don't have to. It's just that I just like the taste and smell of mixed essence. That's optional. But you can omit that and just now add your sugar to taste. Guys, excuse my voice. I did lose my voice. But yeah, so all you need to do now is add your sugar, sweeten to taste, And now you have your refreshing sorrel juice to enjoy.